let's find the domain of the given function. Now here the function is in the form of quotient, and whenever the function is in the form of quotient, the term in its denominator creates problem in undefining the function. So whenever we have a quotient form of function, the term in the denominator should not be equal to 0, because whenever the quotient is 0, it makes infinity, which is undefined, which means undefined. The function is undefined. So here the term x minus y square should not be equal to 0. So we can write it as y square is not equal to x. So this is totally related with the equation of parabola y square is equal to x. So now this means that the points which satisfy the equation of this parabola are not included in the domain of this function. So we can write it as this, that all the ordered pairs that satisfy y square is not equal to x. Let's now sketch the domain of this function. So here is the x and y coordinate. First we would sketch the parabola y square is equal to x. Now here it is the graph of y square is equal to x. Now the points that satisfies y square is equal to x are the points on this parabola. So these points are not included in the domain of this function, and the rest of all the points are in the domain of the given function. So all the points except the points on the parabola y square is equal to x is in the domain of the given function.